Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Marsden Chunn's property here in Rex, Georgia. Today I'm standing on the front-facing slope. I believe that is east or west. Today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle. Here is the damaged shingle, damaged by wind. And you can see shingles are a little off-put. The tab ends here, making it these 3 tabs. I'm going to set you guys down this cushion, let you follow along during this repair process, see how it affects the surrounding adjacent shingles. Let's do a condition overview of the shingles right here. And then obviously an overview of the shingles before we start. Guys. Lucky to get that one out. It's a little overdriven off center. Should be last 2 right here, guys. Alrighty, shingles should just slide out. It does. Guys, there's 1 extra hole here. Trying to fill all the holes for the homeowner, not get any leaks. Alrighty. All right, so here we are, new shingle in place. I'm sure you couldn't hear during the video. Some of these shingles made that cracking noise when I did lift them. I guess against this point of resistance right here. So there are some loose granules on these shingles above that were affected during the repairs. Next windstorm, rain, any kind of inclement weather is gonna knock these loose granules off of these shingles. So for video purposes, I'm gonna very gently rub my hands across the top of these shingles. As you can see, some of these loose granules are coming off here. Just very gently rubbing my hand, and I can show you guys on the shingles unaffected by the repair. If I do the same motion, rub my hands back and forth, there are no loose granules that come off. Just for video purposes, wanted to show you guys. And you can see in several places where the shingles have actually broken. Right here in the corner as well. Here in the corner, right here, all the way across. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. That way you guys can get a better look. Thank you for your consideration.